Hast du dich verirrt? Are you lost, Tommy?
What's it to you, Fritz?
An Englishman wandering this far from home? Makes me curious.
Yeah? Well, curiosity can kill out here, Kraut.
Curiosity is part of my job, you see. It helps me find you.
Find me?
Not just you. Also, all of you.
You're a scout.
If that is your word for it, then yes.
And how much have you seen?
Enough's a lot.
I should kill you right now.
But you will not.
Yeah? I beg to differ.
And ignore our current situation. We both stand here with each other's lives in each other's hands. I believe you call this a stalemate.
Should I care? If I kill us both, right now.
And why would you want to do that?
Because you Jerry bastards killed all my friends!
You're not the only one affected by this war. And certainly not the first to lose friends.
Your friends started this war!
Perhaps you're right.
Gives me all the more reason to kill you right now.
So do it. Is this your first aid of combat, Zulat? What? You think I could not tell? I was much like yourself when this shit mess started. The harsh reality hit me in a way no different to yourself. You know, war is a story of two sides. Each one believing they're in the right, no matter the consequence. But no stops to think. To look at the other side and realize they are the same. Realize they are there for reasons beyond their own. Auf Nimmerwiedersehen. I pray we never meet again.